guys, it is so good to see you all again, and I hope that you are excited by the upcoming Christmas holiday season. And in today's video, I am going to be continuing my Christmas decorating series, and this will be part 3.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
So today I am going to be decorating in my kitchen, and I'm going to be taking you all along with me. I'm going to show you how to create a vignette on your refrigerator top. I'm also going to be removing my tier tray. Now, for those of you that have been here with me, you know that I decorate my tier tray seasonally. So I am going to retire that for this Christmas season, and I'm going to create my baker's corner. I've always wanted to have one, and I'm going to show you how to create one. And hopefully what I share, it will inspire you, if you don't already have a baker's corner in your kitchen, to try it out and see how you like it. So without further ado, let's get started. On this side of my kitchen, I'm going to be creating a baker's corner. And so right now, I just have the basics. I have my everyday cutting boards that I keep up year round. I have my KitchenAid right here and this stand. So we're going to get it all festive for the Christmas season. And I'm also going to be using this little rack here. I'm going to be adding some kitchen mittens and other things to make it a little bit festive. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. We're also going to be changing out my valances here. I've already started, so instead of using the buffalo check red ones that I typically use, we're going to be using this one, and I'm going to add a second. This is a quick overview of all the items that I have gathered to create my little baker's corner. Some of these items are new and some are old.
window in my heart. And if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you, and I know it will be. Oh, it's a magic holiday. Ooh, the rest just fades away.
So now we're going to address the window in my kitchen. I like to switch out my valances during the Christmas season. And this year I decided to go with this red and white tick and stripe valance instead of my traditional red and white buffalo check pattern. I'm also going to add these Merry Christmas plates in my plate rack above to add some more texture and layers to my kitchen. And I just fell in love with this adorable Gingy soap dispenser. Dollar Tree has these, and I've seen them for the past couple of years. And I did see these in the Dollar Tree this year as well, and the fragrance smells delicious as well. And next, I'm going to create a vignette on top of my refrigerator. I'm going to be adding this little Charlie Brown looking Christmas tree. But no worries, we're going to make it all beautiful and festive for the holiday season. So now I have added some lights. So the next thing we're going to do is just add an assortment of ornaments in the color palette that I have set for my kitchen this year, which is red, white, pink, and hints of gold.
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home when the sleigh bells
Now I'm going to add 2 deer to complete this look for this Christmas vignette. And I'm going to add a sign to the opposite side of my kitchen, and this is going to complete this Christmas decorate with me.
jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells,
I hope that you enjoyed this video today and it has got you all excited about the upcoming Christmas holiday season. If you enjoy this video, won't you go ahead and give it a big thumbs up? And if you're new and you would love to become a new friend at the Felicia by the Seasons family, just click that subscribe button and welcome new friend to this family. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye guys.
Oh, come all ye faithful.